It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app and Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to place order from 168 and Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, Taobao, pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. With that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and see how we place order on Xianyu app or Idlefish app. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to open my Xianyu app right here. Having opened up your Xianyu app, this is how it's going to load up. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for product on Xianyu app. One of the first easy ways is to come to the top right here and make sure you type the name of the product you are looking for into the search bar. Then you are going to see a similar result. Alternative way, you can use this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. After you are able to source for product, next thing you want to do is seller if the product is available. Having sourced the product, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and negotiate with the seller and discuss more about the product. Then I have a product I'm going to use as an example right here. So I will go ahead and open up my chat box right here. So I have already reached out to the supplier right here, and I'm going to go ahead and place order for this particular one right here. I will open up the product. Now, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed to place order. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here now, order. So for this particular product, I need size 44. I will go ahead and select size 44. There we go. Then I need just one piece of it. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. I'm going to click on here now to proceed to payment. Now go ahead and click on here to proceed with my Alipay and enter my payment password. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot this part. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to the profile. Then click on here to close this pump up. So this is a proof that your order has been successfully placed. Let's see how we can place order on 168. I'm going to exit from here now and go ahead to my 168 Chinese shopping app right here. So open up my 168 shopping app. Then have opened up my 168 Chinese shopping app. The same way you search for product on Xianyu is the same way you search for product on 168. After you search for product, add the product to cart, then proceed to your cart right here. You have all the products you have added so far in your cart. You have them right here. Next thing you want to do is to select the one you want to pay for. So I'm paying for this particular one right here. So I will go ahead and select. Having selected the products, go ahead and proceed to checkout. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead. So here we go. You can review everything from the checkout right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm still using my Alipay. So I will make sure I go ahead and click on here to choose Alipay. Then I'll go ahead and choose Alipay right here. Having selected my Alipay, I will go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successfully. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product will just click for found right here. So let's check it out. Then you have it right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them on 1688 and Xianyu shopping app. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll head over to my WhatsApp right here, open up my WhatsApp. Then I'll go ahead and bring out the proof of payment right here. Payments. Just like so. It's that simple. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with these persons right here. This is when they send the link, and this is when we work on the link and at the same time do the calculation before we proceed to payment on 1688 and Xianyu app. You can see everything right here. If this is exactly you want me to do for you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.